Hey everybody, so I'm going to walk you through this project and give you a little bit of what the final product looks like. I've been here a couple of weeks. It was a fairly large project, at least for me it was, and show you now what the final product looks like. So when we walk in, we are going into this main room here, then it's into a large connecting dining room. And it is a kind of a two-sided fireplace-esque. And so then we come over into here, see another fireplace, another sitting room, and then you can start to see a little bit of a peek of that foyer. You can just see how nice this looks throughout. And then you come in over to here, and then you get to see this, which is pretty cool. It turned out fantastic. I really love, it's called Soldier Course, and so it's where all the small pieces are running that way. And then we did some kind of detail over in the corner where we did it like that, kind of mitered it back and all together, just the way that the space was going. I didn't want to do like a cabin corner, and so this was what I felt was going to make the space look the best. And then I did continue the header boards and all of the doors just to keep the border consistent throughout. And then so then when you see it, it just looks consistent. We go back into bedroom back in here. You can see how just warm that color is. And then their son wanted more of a natural look. And so this is what the other one looks like. And that's the advantage. You can kind of choose and do whatever you want. So that's kind of the walkthrough of this project and just kind of what it all looks like. So it turned out fantastic. I love the color, the red oak, which I know a lot of people are like, yeah, red oak, but if you do red oak the right way, it can look pretty cool. So you can see how great that looks just throughout, and how doing a small, simple design, even like that one in the foyer, how it really sets it apart and just adds intrigue and uniqueness to a space. It's something that can be done to pretty much any space, whether it's adding a border, adding a herringbone, different stuff like that, just to really make it your own space.